What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be unboxing my Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, I finally bought it. I don't know how that ended up. In a nutshell, here's a quick history lesson. Basically, I just made a vlog where you put polls on Instagram, and in the end, I was just feeling funky, so I wanted a new phone. I gave you guys a choice, flagship or budget. Everyone chose flagship. And what's the most relevant flagship that I can make like videos for almost 2 years? Another Galaxy. Today is 15th March, so actually deliveries go on 16th March, but your boy got those connections. I got it first. Well, for the city that I live in, Alibag, it's not only the first S9 Plus. Yes, I'm the first owner over here in the whole city. It's the only S9 Plus in the whole city right now. I guess there are more 4 coming in the next week, which are over the Flipkart and some another retailers. But as of the authorized Samsung retailer, I am the only one for the next week who is going to be owning a S9 Plus in this whole city, which is, I can't thank you guys. Just thanks for everyone. But let's just continue. Here is the package. Let's just take the stuff out. We have a pamphlet over here. Thank you for visiting Samsung Smart Cafe. Okay, pretty cool. Let's just keep it aside. Next we have bill 65,000. Let's just keep it aside. We have, yes, as this is the first S9 Plus, they have just done everything such as putting a ribbon and stuff. As you can see, it just looks extremely cute. Let's just start unboxing. As you can see, S9 Plus coral blue. Yes, it's the same color as my Galaxy S8 Plus, cause I really wanted the silver titanium or the gold, but this year Samsung didn't even launch the gold, and the silver titanium, as they say, it's international, but it's just the Snapdragon phones. So I had the choice with the lilac purple, the newer color, or the black and the coral blue. Well, in my family as Hindu, we don't actually buy anything black, and then the lilac purple is just gay. So yeah, I ended up with blue, as my S8 Plus is blue and my second favorite color is blue. So as you can see, everything is blue. Why I'm not wearing blue? One sec. There you go. Now I'm looking like walking Flipkart. S9 Plus, as you can see, 64 gig. Yes, I'm not balling on 256 gig, because probably I'm going to change this phone in next year, and memory card just does me well. Unlike Galaxy S7 Edge, from the S8 we don't get any kind of magnetic connector, which adds up to the experience. Yeah, Samsung has missing out on that, but let's just take a look on this thing. There you go, open. There is the S9 Plus. There is no actual handle to take it out. I've actually removed the plastics. Well, I've actually seen this phone just an hour before. Of course, we had to actually take it out in order to complete the billing process. They had a cake for me. There was a little bit of celebration. This is a bit tricky part of the unboxing. Once you unbox it, it's pretty hard to just keep it back. This coral blue is so darker than before. We will just keep this phone aside for a second. Let's just turn it on. There you go, Galaxy S9 Plus. There is some kind of weird material over here, as you can see. Of packaging, which is pretty much crushed by me while reboxing this phone. Let's take it out, and SIM tool ejector, quick start guide as usual, as you can see, and a silicone case. Yes, you get an original Samsung silicone case inside the box, which is a very nice addition, to be honest. There you go, a micro USB to Type-C connector as before, nothing new in that. Then you just get the usual charger as last year. Then we have the Type-C cable, which actually I got a faulty one with my Galaxy S8, and then the AKG earphones. Finally, I have another one. If you don't already know, last one got destroyed. But let's just take a look at the color. That's what we are here for. Where's my asset? So seeing both of these colors in person, like S9's texture is just so amazing. Like you can see the shimmer of light on there. S8 is not bad at all, but just look at it. S8 looks like a tin can, to be honest, in front of the S9, but it's still cool, beautiful, to be honest, and it doesn't feel like a year of difference. But the glass on S9 is much more stickier, as you can see the reflection of the light on S9. Wow. But the material on the S9 is much more stickier than the S8. I can't actually demonstrate it because both of these phones cost 65k. But the materials on the S9 are much more stickier. As you can see on the back, dual cameras on the S9 Plus, whereas compared to the S8, S9 in hand feels a lot smaller than the Galaxy S8 Plus. I still don't know why, but the color accuracy and the smoothness of the display of the S9 Plus is far more better than the Galaxy S8, as I'm actually experiencing right now. Maybe it's just the age thing. One of the most things that I have loved in like the hour of owning this phone, 4K 60 FPS recording is so amazing. Like the amount of detail and the frame rate that it captures is just mind-blowing. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want more videos like this, like unboxing expensive shit, please let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next one. Peace, and again, just thanks for all the support. Keep supporting, keep sharing my videos, and see you in the next one.